everyone, Shanna here, and I am so excited to be sharing this video with you. I am going to be doing a wig review with a lovely premium wig that was sent to me by Hannah's Hair Parlour. I'm so excited to try this out, guys. You know, I'm a little bit tired of my curly dark hair and I wanted to try something a bit different, and sis has literally hooked me up. So stay tuned and I will be kind of going through the step-by-step process of how I'm going to be putting it on, how it came packaged, and the tips that she's basically given me as to how to style it and to keep the wig looking. So welcome back, guys, and if you are just joining, as I said before, I am going to be doing a quick wig review, literally going through the step-by-step process of what it is that I do. But before you know, you put your hair in any sort of protective style, you have to make sure that you take care of it. Love your hair, guys, love it, and it will love you back. It will grow and it will love you back for sure. So what I did was basically last night I washed my hair, I detangled it, deep conditioned it, let it sit for a little bit, and then combed it out again, rinsed it, blow dried it with heat protection spray. It's needed, guys, it's needed, and a nice serum as well. So I blow dried it and I basically braided it. Now I used some leave-in conditioner and a bit of Eco Styler gel just to make sure that it stays down. So I don't know if you can see it right now. I wasn't too focused on making it too neat because I knew that I was gonna be putting a wig on it anyways, but I kind of left a middle sort of section so that, you know, the parting case. It is a lace frontal wig, which I am excited to try because I didn't want to have anything you know, with my actual hair left out because I just didn't want to straighten it at all. So I'm really excited to try this. Look at it, look at it, look at it, guys. This color is like bomb, like literally. It is amazing. I've always wanted to dye my hair this color, but I'm a bit skeptical about the whole bleaching process. So yeah, I'm excited. Using the Got to Be Ultra Glued Styling Gel for edges. Now I know there's a yellow one of this. I haven't yet tried it. I literally just use this one. It says tested on afro and textured hair. So. That is me done. This is the end result. I went for loose beach kind of looking waves. I absolutely love this look. The hair was so easy to do. It literally took me like 5 minutes on both sides to get it done. And it's so soft and it's holding really well. You can tell that it's 100% human hair. And I'm loving the fact that you can barely see that there's any, you know, difference between my scalp and the lace. Like there's literally no difference. Like I wouldn't be able to tell that I was wearing a wig, and that's not a biased opinion. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much to Hannah's Hair Parlour. Sis, you really hooked me up. Thank you, and that is it for me, guys. So peace.